much rain, thunderstorms just continues in certain parts of the country.
Yeah, and Texas was in extreme and exceptional drought. You know, we went from one extreme to the other, and we know so well when you have a drought and you're so dry, the ground is so hard, when you get these inches and feet of rain coming down, it doesn't have anywhere to go, and so it floods. So that system now exiting Texas and now set to impact Louisiana and Mississippi. Heavy rain, flash flooding is expected. For us here locally, La Presa, those thick marine layer clouds with us again this morning. Temperatures are starting off on a pretty warm note, especially in areas like Oceanside, downtown, and Chula Vista in the low 70s. Meanwhile, Julian and Palomar Mountain, mid 70s to start off our morning. So high pressure sitting over the west, that is actually going to nudge our temperatures up a little bit, and we're actually going to tap into a little bit more monsoon moisture today. So there is a possibility for a few showers or thunderstorms to pop up over the mountain areas this afternoon, maybe even the deserts. It's just a slight chance today. However, tomorrow we get an extra surge of monsoon moisture and expected isolated to maybe scattered shower and thunderstorm activity in the mountain and desert areas. Slight chance for our valley locations, and those storms, any of those storms that form, will have the ability to produce localized flash flooding, small hail, lightning, gusty winds. It will also drop the temperatures drastically wherever those storms form. Temperatures today trending near to about 5 degrees above average. It will be a little bit cooler tomorrow and Thursday, but it will be more humid thanks to that monsoon moisture. But all of us will be cooler and less humid this weekend. Drier air filtering in from the northwest. We're going to get a bit of a break finally from this monsoon moisture, but it only looks like it's going to be for a few days. 70s stick around into next week for the inland or the coastal areas rather. We will see a few 80s today and at the end of the week like Oceanside and Encinitas. 90s for most inland neighborhoods today, back in the 90s on Friday, but those mid 80s this weekend will feel a lot more comfortable than the mid 80s we're going to feel tomorrow and Thursday thanks to the less humid conditions. 90s in Julian today, also Campo and Warner Springs, low 80s by Sunday and the desert areas. We won't cool off that much, but it will be less humid this weekend.